because
And I want proof to why she can't fly.
No, hold on a second.
I'm getting.
My father is Chicago police. I have no more than respect
That's
for
great.
you.
I'll talk to you.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Look, let's talk over here.
A medical concern, a private airline, a formal warning, 3 criminal charges. At what point does a frustrated passenger cross the line into criminal liability? The answer lies not in the argument, but in the law.
Good evening. What's going on tonight? How can I help you?
They're saying she can't fly.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I want proof to why she can't fly.
No, hold on a second.
I'm getting.
If they're a private business, if they say you can't fly for any reason, then you can't fly.
Okay. So I had lower abdominal discomfort.
Understand?
And
But they're a private. You understand? It's not a public service. This is a private group.
What's that? I'm sorry. I'm hard of hearing.
my husband can't hear. He's
If they don't want you to fly, you can't fly.
Okay, but
Let me check out. Let me check out here. Is it just today, or is it?
It's just today. It's due
Okay.
to the fact that when they came is
go here in the front counter. Yes.
Okay.
he has pain,
Yeah.
nauseous, vomiting, all that type of stuff. I called Medlink. Medlink said that she has to go to the hospital to get a clearance in order to fly again.
Okay. Perfect. Not like we've done this before, right? Okay. Okay. Did you understand what they're telling you?
no.
Hold on.
Baby,
Okay.
baby, please.
So they're saying since you have discomfort and don't feel well, that you need to see a doctor, go to the emergency room and get a clearance that you're okay to fly.
But
They're
you
willing to rebook
you understand.
Hold on, let me finish. I'm almost done.
Yes.
They're willing to rebook you tomorrow if you feel better.
No. That's unacceptable.
Stop.
Yes, it is.
No.
Stop. Stop.
Don't fight with
Here.
me. Don't
Here.
fight with me.
Please.
I'm telling you how it's
Cannot
going to
Put
be.
your finger
That's it.
at me.
I'll do what I have to do because you're drunk and you're not listening.
So what?
So what? You're going to
Stop.
get trespassed.
For what?
Please, sir. My
Tango
father is
55, you get one
Chicago
side over here.
police.
Hospital
My
69.
father.
69.
Stop. I want you to
We're
go
not playing.
over there. My father is Chicago police. I have
That's
no more
great.
than respect
That's
for
great,
you.
but we're trying to deal with this right now.
Yes, and
Okay. You're not flying
I
tonight.
am simply telling you that I respect you, okay? And that my husband
Okay.
is...
All of that is great, fine and dandy, but you have to get a medical clearance if you want to fly tonight. Tomorrow, they're willing to rebook you.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So,
Okay.
Okay.
I accept. Okay.
well, you have to. Okay.
Great.
Okay. So you get
Work something about with them about rebooking a flight.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. All right. Thank you. I'm sorry. I'm a patient, and I was not feeling well.
You
And
didn't tell me that at the beginning. You just said you weren't feeling well.
yes, I have.
Okay.
So
But if you're not feeling well, you can't fly. Do you get that?
okay.
Okay. So you're gonna have to make other arrangements tonight to go somewhere,
Okay.
or
Okay.
okay.
All right. Yes.
If we
sir.
come back, you're gonna be trespassed. If we come back a
Alright.
third time, somebody's going to jail.
I don't want him to go
I
to
don't
jail.
either. I don't want anybody to go to jail. So,
Do you
so
have
do you have a place?
No, we don't have a place
Okay.
tonight.
There's some hotels. There's one here at the airport.
Okay, we'll get one tonight.
Okay.
Please let me deal with him.
Okay. Sure.
Okay. I'll calm him down.
And if you want, you can go down the elevator to the first floor, outside to the far left. There are shuttles that will take you to hotels close by.
All right.
Okay.
I'll calm him
So
down.
first
I
floor,
promise. Please
all the way
just
to the
don't
left.
arrest him.
Okay.
Steve-O, we're going to go together and go and.
Excuse me. Before you leave hotel arrangements,
This is an embarrassment.
Shut up! Look, you're stopping. You're stopping, and leave these men alone. All right?
hey man, can I talk to you over here?
Yes.
Before you make other hotel accommodations, you have to go to the hospital. They have to check you out and make sure that you're fit to fly. Otherwise, you're going to show up here tomorrow, and if you don't have that clearance letter, you're going to run into the same situation again. You have to have that clearance letter in order to fly tomorrow. So, you can, if you don't want to have the medics take you to the hospital, you can make arrangements to go there on your own, or I can have them come and pick you up and take you there. Which would you prefer?
Do we want our?
It just depends on what they have to check you out and determine based on what they find, and they'll make a decision on if to keep you there or if to let you go.
What do you recommend?
I mean, I'm not a medical professional. That's up to them. They have to check you out, and then they'll make a decision on if they're going to let you go or if they're going to let you go.
They deny you boarding?
Hurry, yeah. You got check. You got medically cleared. You got medically cleared. She can go. And then this guy with the dreadlocks, that guy said no.
Well, they're coming back now.
They're gonna check her out. I had to step out. But I'm good.
Since they're coming, do you want them to look at you as well? Just
I'm hard of hearing.
Since they're already coming, do you want them to look at you as well?
For what?
No? For anything.
Oh, I'm fine.
Okay.
So they've been here already.
Oh, the heck. Okay.
Yeah, they cleared me already. They cleared me, sir.
Gotta get a piece of paper from a hospital or a doctor. Urgent care. There's one North Cimarron behind the Wawa on Lee Vista.
We're gonna go to the hotel.
See? How can I?
We're gonna go to a hotel,
I gotta go to work, honey.
you're gonna have to take the day off.
Why?
Stop. Leave the
I'm not able to
officers.
fly, and they have to.
Look, leave the officers.
I want an explanation.
alone.
Well, we wouldn't know. That's between you
I
and
want
the
to know
airlines.
why.
Stop. I want you to leave the officers alone because they deserve our respect. Let's go. Okay?
They have my luggage. What about my luggage? I want my luggage.
No, shut up.
They'll get the bags for you.
Yeah, they will. And we're gonna go to the
I want to.
second floor.
How do I get an explanation to why I can't travel?
Stop! Leave them alone.
No. Back up. Just back up. Will their luggage be down on the second floor?
I have to have the bag room pull it, but I'll be down there in a sec. Give me like 5 minutes, and I'll be down there in 5 minutes.
Okay. He's gonna put in an order to get your luggage, and it'll be downstairs on level 2.
I want an explanation to why I can't travel.
These
I told you more than once. You're drunk, and
Yeah.
you're not listening or understanding
I'm
what
not
I've been telling
listening to
you.
you. You are not.
Exactly.
You
You're not.
are gonna stop. You are gonna stop. You are gonna stop.
So I would go downstairs to the second floor,
I want.
wait for your luggage.
All right. Thank you, officers. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Steve. Now.
You.
Have a nice evening.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I want to go home.
So what was the original reason that they said no?
Because she said she was hurting, had a lot of pain, didn't feel good. I think she had a little too much to drink.
She told that to the people at the gate or these people?
The office here just before us.
officer.
No. Can I talk to you for a second? I'll talk to you.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Look, let's talk over here.
I didn't do anything wrong. I'm an American citizen. I didn't do anything wrong.
So here, stand back for me just a second. I'm not going to arrest you, okay? I just wanted to talk to you for a
I just
second.
want to go home.
So, who is she to you?
She's my wife.
That's your wife?
Yes.
Okay. So,
I just want to get on a plane and go home.
yes, man, but we explained to you several times, but you have to listen to the other officer first before you can even come to that decision. They don't want your wife flying for whatever reason, whatever medical reason she has, right?
I mean,
That is the explanation. They can refuse.
Why?
They can refuse.
Steven,
Go
my father
with them over there.
is a police officer.
I need to know the reason why. She was cleared.
There's no piece of
The paramedics came. The paramedics came and they cleared her.
her license.
The paramedics
You
came.
have her license. Her license.
Let me check. The paramedics came and cleared her. They said she's okay to travel.
That's not a,
Okay, that doesn't matter anymore.
Yeah, we're not talking about
We are
that.
past that. Now, all we're asking you right now is if you have her ID.
Does she have any form of ID anywhere?
Let me check. Two Americans being harassed.
Not being harassed.
Yes, we are. Yes, I am. I can't board a plane. Yes, I am, sir.
It's not harassment.
Yes, it is. Why can't I board a plane?
Because you're intoxicated.
You're not guaranteed.
I'm not intoxicated with my blood alcohol level.
This should be a 10-15.
I guess that's what we got for that because she's the one that hit him.
You think of BAC?
That's up to you.
Yeah.
Come on.
Are we doing both for 69? I'll talk to you.
See, I'm sure they're gonna want to. So he gave us the passports. Do you have a license as well, or just the passport?
Yeah, I have a license.
Yeah. Can you check if it's in there?
I need you right here and stay
I
right
want to
there.
call my lawyer right now.
Call your lawyer.
Call my lawyer. Right now. Right now. She's being retained?
You are not being detained.
She is.
She is.
I want to call her attorney right now.
Coming over here. So step
Call
back.
her attorney right now.
Step back.
I want legal counsel right now. As an American citizen, she wants counsel right now.
All right, I just watched her slap you across the face.
What?
I just watched her slap you
I don't
across
care.
the face.
I don't care what you swear.
Where are you from? Are you from
Where are
Florida?
you from?
Are you from Florida?
Where are you from?
Okay, so in the
I'm from
state
the
of
United
Florida.
States of America.
Okay, in the state
Where
of
are you
Florida,
from?
if we see someone batter another
If you-
person in the relationship,
I'm
if
not
they're in a
prote-
domestic setting,
Whatever. She wants
the
legal
point is your
counsel
wife's being detained right now.
right now. Let her go. I want to speak to my wife.
Bro.
Back.
I can't speak to my wife.
No.
Why
Step
not?
back.
Why not?
Because I said so. That's why.
Who are you?
Step back.
You don't own me.
You
It's
need
a
to
free
relax.
country. I want to speak to my
You need
wife.
to relax.
I want my wife
You're about to
now.
be
She
putting
wants legal
cuffs.
counsel.
You're
What?
about to be put in cuffs. So
For what?
Back up.
For what?
For interfering. So
Interfering
back up.
with what?
Back up.
What is she interfering with?
No.
What is she under arrest for? What does she have done wrong?
You need to calm down or you're going to go in cuffs. Relax. I'm half your age.
Are you on my side?
Start acting your age.
I am. And this is my wife, and you have her retained by a bunch of security officers and a bench.
We're not
My wife
We're the police.
in the American states of America.
What did I
and
just
you're
tell
telling me to calm down.
What did I just tell you 2 minutes ago?
This is my
I just
wife.
watched her
Let
slap
her
you
go
across the face.
now. If this was your wife, would you let her sit there and be questioned by these officers?
He smacked me. No. Walk over here.
Really?
Stay over here.
This is my wife.
Listen, man. Relax, okay? Relax.
Who the you.
Dude, relax. You're gonna get put down.
Let go of my wife.
You're gonna be put on the ground, so relax.
Relax for what?
Relax. Put your hands behind your back.
Let my wife go.
Don't resist. Relax. Stop. Resisting.
For what?
Easy. Just take your
What did I
backpack off.
do?
Taking your backpack off.
Put your hands behind your back.
No. Somebody grab his legs. Somebody grab his legs. Yep.
Stop resisting!
Put this hand behind your back.
Y'all good? Try to work on this arm.
Yeah, grab his right arm.
We got this arm.
Get your other hand.
Give us your right arm, sir. Stop
It's
resisting.
here. You're on top of it.
Roll him a little bit.
Put your knee into the
Remember, push the elbow up. Push the elbow up. Push the elbow up.
Give us your other hand, sir. Don't make it difficult. Loosen up. Loosen up. Give us your other arm. Then give it.
Got it.
There you go. Alright, we're gonna get you up, so slowly and listen to us, okay?
What do we leave him here and just wait till we get a car? And then
Can you lift these off? Are you serious?
Anyone go on this side or no?
Are you serious?
Where's your car?
Nazis or what?
Where's your car?
What the
Here.
what the did I do?
I know. This one closer. Use this one.
Are you
Level 3. Right here, I think number 20.
what the How is my wife?
That is his bag.
She's fine.
How do I know?
Does he have any boarding pass?
Well, you got my backpack.
I know, but does he have one?
They won't let me in the flight. They won't let my wife on the flight.
Do you-
What the
Do you have a boarding pass?
Yes, I do.
Where is it?
It's in my pocket.
In your
Unless these
pocket?
f***holes took it.
Why are you yelling at me?
Why? Really? I'm in handcuffs and behind my back. What the f*** am I?
We are getting the
He's
boarding
touching my...
pass. No, he's.
Yes, he is.
Where's your boarding pass?
Really? You gonna take my cash too?
No, boarding
Really? You
pass.
gonna take my $2
Where
grand?
is your boarding pass?
Why don't you let me off my handcuffs and I'll be happy to tell you. What the f***?
You say in the pocket, this pocket or his rear pocket?
Crooks? Ow! What? Handcuffs?
Hey, ma'am, is your boarding passes in your purse?
I just want you to know, he doesn't even drink. This is what his...
Listening to yourself.
Yeah, I am listening to myself. I'm laying on the floor in the airport on my stomach in handcuffs, and I'm asking why am I being handcuffed behind 10 security officers with armed weapons? Why? Really? Really? Ask myself why? Why? Why am I being handcuffed? Hello? Hello? Why am I being handcuffed?
You're under arrest, sir.
Why am I being handcuffed? What are you doing? Let these handcuffs off of me now! Where's my wife? What are you doing to my wife? Get these handcuffs off. What crime did I do? What intentions you have? Who the are you? Get these off! Now! You! Get these off! Get these handcuffs off!
Stand up. Yeah.
Where's my belongings?
To the right. No boarding pass on this side.
Yeah, I couldn't find any boarding pass in there.
Okay.
Nothing in the pocket.
We need to go by Spirit and get his a copy of that boarding pass.
Yeah.
Right? Because you remember they're giving us a hard time.
Yeah. Vo, do you have his ID? Can you have his ID? We haven't counted his money yet.
Okay.
Do you need us to do anything about this statement from anybody?
Well, I don't have a laptop. There's none in the Landsat office.
I can lend you mine real quick.
Yeah.
It's not even mine. You can take it. I think you need the giraffe if it's not going to be yours.
What am I being arrested for? What am I being
Yeah, I think I'm
not.
Yeah, but all that custom and stuff.
It's going to be a West Rock.
I'm just saying.
I'll say her.
That's because your hands are all twisted. Can you try to twist them back?
What did anything wrong?
Try to twist them back.
I didn't do anything wrong.
You take
All I
it.
did was complain.
Look, your watch is going to go in your bag. Okay?
You haven't paid money yet.
I just turned my wife.
Have a seat.
Appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Alright, watch the leg.
Most people assume an airport is a public space with full constitutional protection. The law draws a much sharper line than that. Understanding exactly where that line falls is the first lesson here. Federal contract of carriage law grants private airlines broad authority to deny boarding for passenger safety concerns without court approval or explanation. This is not a constitutional question. The airline exercised a lawful private business right. Jackson v. Metropolitan Edison Co. 1974. The Fourth Amendment applies only to government actors, not private entities. Private carrier denying boarding cannot constitute an unconstitutional seizure. Constitutional challenge fails at the threshold in this case. California Penal Code Section 602. Trespassing requires 3 elements. First, property under another person's lawful control. Second, explicit notice to leave issued by an authorized person. Third, refusal or continued presence on the property after that notice is delivered. Notice to leave carries legal consequence from the exact moment it is issued. A formal police warning on behalf of a private property holder satisfies sections 602. Every minute spent on that property after notice creates independent criminal exposure. Disagreeing with the reason does not suspend the legal effect. California Penal Code Section 647 subsection F. Disorderly intoxication. Elements presence in a public place, under the influence of alcohol, and inability to exercise reasonable care for personal or public safety. An airport terminal satisfies the public place element without any legal ambiguity. California Penal Code Section 243 subsection E. Domestic battery. Willful and unlawful use of force or violence upon an intimate partner. Physical injury is not required under this statute. Any harmful or offensive contact between spouses fully satisfies the elements of this offense. California Penal Code Section 836.1. Mandatory domestic violence arrest. When an officer has probable cause to believe domestic violence has occurred and the suspect remains present, the officer shall make an arrest. Shall is a term of legal obligation under California law. No officer discretion exists. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S., 386, 1000, 989. Use of force is evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene, never with the benefit of hindsight after the fact. Severity of the offense, immediate threat to safety, and active resistance are the controlling legal factors. California Penal Code Section 148, subsection A, resisting arrest. Any person who willfully resists, delays, or obstructs a peace officer in the discharge or attempt to discharge any official duty commits this offense. Physical non-compliance during a lawful arrest satisfies every statutory element. McNeil v. Wisconsin, 501 U.S., 171, 1,991. The Sixth Amendment right to counsel attaches at the initiation of formal criminal proceedings. It does not attach at the moment of field detention or arrest. The demand for counsel on scene does not suspend or invalidate a lawful arrest already in progress. City of Houston v. Hill, 482 U.S., 451, 1,987. Verbal challenges directed at law enforcement are protected First Amendment speech. First Amendment protection ends precisely where physical obstruction begins. The statute under Section 148 criminalizes the conduct, not the expression that accompanies it. 3 charges were filed. Each rests on an independent legal foundation. Trespassing was established by the return to the terminal after formal notice. Disorderly intoxication was established by observable behavior in an unambiguous public space. Resisting arrest was established by sustained physical non-compliance during a lawful detention. No charge depends on the legal validity of another. The mandatory arrest statute under Section 836. 1 removed all officer discretion from the moment domestic battery was personally witnessed. Any interference with that detention was not resistance to a judgment call. It was resistance to a mandatory statutory obligation imposed by California law. Lesson 1. Notice to leave is a legal predicate, not an informal warning. The moment formal notice is delivered by a person with authority over the premises. Criminal liability for continued presence begins immediately. Objecting to the reason for the notice does not delay or nullify its legal effect. Lesson 2. Demanding an explanation does not pause a lawful police action. The right to know the specific reason for an arrest arises in formal legal proceedings. It does not arise on the street, at the moment of arrest, as a legal precondition to compliance with officer commands. Lesson 3. Verbal protest is constitutionally protected under the First Amendment. Physical resistance is a separate criminal act governed by Section 148, subsection A. The law treats these as entirely distinct acts. Person may speak freely and still be lawfully arrested for what their conduct does, not for what their words say. 3 charges were filed against 1 person in this encounter. The domestic battery that officers personally witnessed, the act that triggered the entire second half of this incident, does not appear in the publicly available charge record. Was the mandatory arrest statute applied correctly to both parties? Was probable cause independently sufficient for each of the 3 charges filed? And does the absence of a battery charge against the other party materially change the legal picture of what happened that evening? The law resolves several of these questions with precision, but the questions it leaves unanswered may carry more legal consequences than the ones it answers directly. What was decided in court, and what was not charged at all, is where the deeper analysis of this case begins.